places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
Toby and Henrietta enjoyed working on Sodor, but James, on the other hand, was annoying towards them. "Ugh, what dirty objects," he would say. At last, Toby lost patience. "James," he said, "why are you red?" "Because I'm a very splendid engine, and never see my paint dirty." "Oh," said Toby. "Is that why you needed a bootlace to pull your coaches once?" James went redder than ever and snorted off. Later on, James had to collect some trucks from the sidings. He, of course, was annoyed by this. Dirty trucks from dirty sidings. Yeah! Soon, as they traveled, James collected more and more trucks. At first, they were well behaved, but James bumped them so badly that they wanted to pay him out. Soon they reached Gordon's Hill. Every wise engine knows to pin down brakes here. James had an accident on his first day once, but he was too stubborn to remember. He was too busy thinking of what he would say to Toby the next time they met. The truck's chance had come.
Oi, oi, oi.
They yelled, bumping James down the hill. His driver tried to apply his brakes, but James was going too fast at a steep angle to stop. "I've got to stop! I've got to stop!" said James, plowing through the station. Disaster laid ahead. Something sticky splashed all over James. He had run into 2 tar wagons and was covered from smokebox to funnel in gooey black tar. James wasn't really hurt, but the trucks and the tar wagons were all in pieces. After Thomas came with the breakdown train, Percy and Toby came to collect James from the wreckage. "Is that James?" "That can't be, Percy," said Toby. "That's a dirty object. And James told me you never see his paint dirty." They soon took James to the Fat Controller. "Well done, Toby and Percy." He then spoke to James. "Be careful next time with the trucks, James." "Please, sir," said Toby. May me and Henrietta have a new coat of paint?" "Why, yes, of course," said the Fat Controller. And Toby left happily, waiting to tell the good news.